Hey moms, my name is Michou and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best version of themselves. On today's video, I'm going to show you the brushes you need for faster makeup application. As we all know, we are all busy moms, so we need things to be fast and easy for us. These brushes mostly do more than one thing, meaning it's a multitasking brushes, so it will make your makeup application way faster than it should be. Also, of course, I'll show you the demo on how to use them. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna start with a flat brush. This one is from Morphe, but any flat brush you have will work. This is perfect for carving under your brows because of the precision. Also, it's great for applying eyeshadow on your lower lash line. Next is a dome brush like this. You also can call it a kabuki brush. It's pretty much a brush with like a flat head that's will cover like a lot of spaces, a lot of places on your face for foundation application. And it's also great for blending the foundation on your face. This next brush is like a powder brush, but it's a little flatter. I like to use it for powders, or even sometimes I use it for my bronzer. I just want to bronze my face without wanting a precise line. I use this also. Tapered brushes are perfect for concealer, but in my case I use it for my bronzer. You can also use this for blushes, any spaces that needs a smaller brush on your face. This is perfect for it. Next, we're moving on to angled brushes. This one is for the eyes, but for our first example, I'm using it to contour my nose because of its angled. It reaches like that corner that I really need. Also, it's perfect for precision on your eyeshadow application on the outer corner, just like so. Angled blush brushes. So this one is from Morphe, but any blush brush you have, of course it's for blushes, but also it can be used to apply your bronzer, just like you see on the video right now. Flat eyeshadow brushes are really great for precision. If you like cut creases or anything like that, it's great. So here I'm using it under my brows for highlight, and also I'm using it to apply eyeshadow all over my eyelid, and also for precision. And fluffy blending brush for your eyeshadow is the most important brush you need to have for eyeshadow application. This will help you blend any harsh eyeshadow that you just applied. It will also blend or help you apply your eyeshadow transition. It will also help you blend your other eyeshadows. This next brush is also a eyeshadow blending brush, but for this case I'm using it to apply my highlighter, and it's perfect for that. As you can see, I can use it on my nose and I can also use it on my face. Alright mom, so that's pretty much today's video. What do you think? Was it simple, budget friendly, or time efficient? Let me know in the comment below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. I upload 2 videos a week every single week on my channel. So if you want to join the Michou family and you don't want to miss any single video upload, please go ahead and subscribe. That's pretty much for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.